Our Laureate process for wealth strategies is designed to help families who have taxable estates, are business owners, real estate investors, and really have some issues that need to be resolved, not just in a quick fix. They have some messes, they need to deal with transitions, there are taxable issues, income tax, estate tax, and the best part, I think, of our Laureate process has to deal with the 3 different stages: the review, the design, and then finally the implementation. And in the review process, this is really where so much of our work is different from a lot of other firms, because we front load a lot of work by asking our clients for so much information that they've never had asked before by anybody else, any of the other advisors. And this is where we get not only their estate planning, their past estate planning documents, but also income tax returns, the business tax returns, all of information relating to the businesses, whether it be their bylaws and operating agreements for their different entities, partnership agreements, buy-sell agreements, life insurance policies and beneficiary forms, retirement account information and beneficiary forms, real estate investment, all of the documentation relating to that. And we put all of this information together in a way that it's really organized, and then we review it. And we take a lot of time to scour this information to really understand what is going on with this client in their financial world. And when that's done, we get a true sense of that. Then we meet with a client for a retreat, which is a half day, and we sit down and we break bread together, and we really talk about the issues that are important to this family. What's keeping them up at night? What are their dreams and their hopes and their fears? Tell me the issues that are going on with your children, and transitions and other situations that could be going on with charitable giving. And it's a lot. It's a lot to be able to counsel a family, to get all this information from them. But sometimes we'll find out, you know what, they think A, and I know A isn't right. And the only reason why I know A isn't right is because I did that review, we got all that information, and we looked at it, and we analyzed it, and it's really B. And I never would have known that it was B unless I would have gotten that information up front. So the front load is so important. And once we've completed that review engagement, at that point in time, we'll sit down with the client's CPA and financial advisor, and we'll really collaborate to come up with a design that is going to work and is going to be specific to this family. And we'll go through and analyze all of the different options that are out there, and then once we get a good design, we'll actually test it. We'll take the numbers, we'll put them through different actuarial tables to see if it's actually going to work, and if this family is going to be able to live in the lifestyle that they want to live in for the rest of their life with this plan that we've created for them. And sometimes we'll get our numbers back, and gosh, the plan that we thought was going to be a good plan isn't really going to work. So we have to go back to the drawing board and reanalyze everything with collaboratively with everybody sitting in the room, the CPA and the financial advisor, coming up with different ideas together. And finally, once all of that is culminated, we'll meet with the client. We'll have charts and graphs to show the client what the design is going to look like, answer all the questions, and only then once the client understands what this plan is really going to look like and they're happy with it, do we start going into the back room and drafting any of the documents. And after the documents are drafted and prepared, the counseling for our firm really doesn't stop. We have clients that we know are going to be clients for their life because they feel so comfortable knowing that if there are issues or if there are questions, then we're here for them. We care about their family, we know about their family, and we're here to help them in any way that we can move through the changes in the tax laws and changes that may be going on in their lives. So the Laureate process is something that we are very proud to offer our clients.